CapCut just dropped their new AI video generator, and this is completely free. As we all know that the faceless YouTube channels are a great assets for the YouTube monetization. But at the same time, it also requires a lot of work like the AI voices, AI videos, AI images, and for that, you have to get the help from multiple AI tools. But in CapCut free AI video generator, you will find each and everything at a single place. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. Now to access this, you can just head over to the CapCut's official website, and then if you're on a desktop, you will have the option to download this for the desktop, and after installing this, you will have the option of AI Video Maker. So just click on it and you will be redirected to this page. And now you can see we have 4 different options. We have the instant AI video maker where you can just type in your script and the AI will generate the images and voiceover accordingly. Then we have the brainstorm with AI, and this option allows you to generate a full script based on a single idea. And next we have the avatar videos. As we all know that we can use this in a multiple purpose like AI news channel, AI podcast channel. There are endless possibilities. And next we have the match media to script in one click. So if you have your own video files and audio, you can just upload it and the AI will match it accordingly. Now if I just scroll down, these are some of the examples how your videos might look like, but we're gonna make it better. Now to start this, we're gonna click on the new project and we have a blank prompt section here. Now if you have any script, you can just type it here, but we're gonna start with a scratch. So I'm gonna click on the create one with AI. So first you need to give it a topic like 10 unknown facts about the lions, and next you have to give it some key points. You can also get some help from the ChatGPT. You can just type in this prompt. This is the video title, give me the key points for it, and then AI will give you some key points. You can also copy these key points and paste it there, but if you want to keep it blank, it all depends on you. So I'll simply copy it and paste it here. And next we have the option to select the duration. So we have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes long video option. So just imagine that you can generate 10 minutes of long video without any extra effort. And the best part that this is totally free. Well, these are a couple of more options, but I think we don't need to get into that. Now simply hit create and then the AI will start writing the script for our video. Alright, so now we have the ready to use script in just 10 seconds. Now simply hit use, and next we need the visuals for our video. And for that, we're gonna head over to the scene section, and inside of the scene section, you can see we have the voiceover, and from here you can select the multiple avatars if you want to use them in your video. It all depends on you. So you can see we have the avatars for the business, we have the avatars for the news channels, sports activities, casual. So we have multiple type of avatars. You can select any one of them. It all depends on you, but I'm gonna leave it like this and jump over to the voice section. And from here you can see we have multiple different voices. We have all of these free voices, but for this kind of video we need some serious voice, right? So let's play one of them.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Well, the voiced one is good, but I think this is not gonna match with our video. So I'm gonna go with the Richard voice, and now simply hit apply to all scenes. And now the AI will split the script into multiple scenes. Alright, so here we have it, and it took around 1 minute. Now the next important part is the media. So if I head over to the media section, you can see we have 3 different options. Generate AI media, you can generate the visuals with the AI, you can upload your own visuals and the AI will automatically match that, and then we have the match stock media. And I think this is going to be the best option because in YouTube new monetization policies, it's better to use the original videos, right? So I'm going to click on the match and the AI will start matching all of the videos. Alright, so in less than 3 minutes, we have the ready to use video in front of us. So let's play this.
People don't know about these animals. So here are 10 unknown facts about the lions. Number 10. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. Even though lions can be ferocious predators, they are also very lazy animals. In the wild, lions spend up to 20 hours a day sleeping. As much as that might seem like a waste of time, it helps conserve their energy for hunting and increases their chances of survival. Though female lions do most of the hunting, while male lions are usually the dominant force. When it comes to roaring and establishing territory, female lions are the ones who do most of the hunting. Lionesses work together to surround and ambush their prey, while the males stay behind to guard the pride's territory and make sure no other males try to sneak in. No, a lion's roar can be heard 8 kilometers away. If you've ever heard a lion roar, then you know just how loud and intimidating it can sound. But did you know that a lion's roar can be heard from up to 8 kilometers away? This long-range call is not only used to mark an area as the pride's territory, but also to communicate with other members of the pride.
So this is a 3 minutes long video. I can't play the whole video for you, but you can see some of the clips are not matching with our script. So you can simply change those clips after that. So if you just click on the replace button, you can head over to their stock library, and from here you can search for the clips, or if you want the AI to generate the clips for you, you can just head over to the AI media and define what you want from your image, like a group of lines, and hit generate. Okay, so now we have 4 different images. I'm gonna go with this one and click on add to scene. And now you can see the image has been replaced. And now if I just play this.
Things that people don't know about these animals. So here are 10 unknown facts about the lions. Number 10. Lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day. even though lions can be ferocious predators.
This part has been replaced with our on video. Now to make it even better, we can add some elements to it like the subtitles. So you can see we have multiple different subtitles here. So you can select the style that matches the overall vibe of your video. Let's go with this one. Now if you want to add some music to it, you also have that option. Now to give it a final touch, we're gonna head over to the edit more. And this will bring us to the CapCut video editor. And from here, you can make the additional changes like adding the transitions, adding the video effects, and also color grade your videos. And you can also make some more adjustments accordingly. And then if I go to the export section, you can see we have the option to download this in up to 4K quality. And you can also select the frame rates if you want to and hit export. So as you can see, this is the all-in-one AI video generator. This was just a simple example. You can also try multiple different things. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you in the next one.